Hey guys, my name is Chris. I'm the owner of City to Shore Exterior Solutions. We are an exterior cleaning company, which means we do pressure washing, soft washing of all surfaces, commercial, residential. Today, I'm going to bring you along. We are at Superior Start in Williamstown, New Jersey. They are a Christian-owned nonprofit for the kids, trying to help out the community. So because they're trying to help out the community, I offer to wash the property for free, which means if you have a nonprofit and you're about the kids, give us a call. But for right now, let me take you along on the ride, show you exactly what we did. Come on, take a look.